Hi, I'm a travel enthusiast with a job who travels the world, capturing new experiences along the way. Please join me on my adventure around the globe as I make it my goal to bring the world to you. I am Alex Juan, and welcome to my channel. Alright, I'm on the bus in Medellin. My first time, I know. I'll sit in the back. Alright guys.
You want to take this one?
I'll take this one.
Okay, because somebody will be there.
Well, I can make a new friend.
Okay, even better.
This is my first time in Medellin. I am on a bus hanging out with my crew member and his girlfriend, and they're gonna show us around. Alright guys, I am in Medellin in the city right now. As you can tell, Medellin is in the valley. Beautiful city, beautiful ride from the airport to Medellin. Force your way through the roads. That's how you get to places. Orange soda. This is for you, Andrea. Alright, so I am at my friend's girlfriend's house, and her mother made us some rice, some dessert, a little bread, and I'm about to try this. First meal in Medellin.
Dígale, plumita la puso. Sí. Es una cubanita, Juan Carlos. Una cubanita de gallinita.
Hi, baby chickens. There's Mama. There's the dog. So, ocho.
Ocho chiquiticos.
Mama.
La mamá.
Mama. Oh. Alright, so I am hanging out at my coworker's girlfriend's house.
Ya, todo lo que queda.
La comida. Huevos. Ah. Huevos verde. Alright guys, this is a green egg. Never seen this before. It's cool. Green egg. Man, they have a farm back here. Little chicken farm. Look at these guys. This young lady is learning how to use a chopstick. Yeah, está bien. Bueno.
El palo.
Piñata action going on right now.
Juan, ahora Juan Carlos. Yo voy a la piñata acá. Se guarda con tú. Siempre lo vi. Está muy bravo. Se lo tira a ver. Cumpleaños feliz. Te deseamos a ti. Cumpleaños Juan Carlos.
Happy birthday to us!
Happy birthday! Don't tell anybody.
Happy birthday, buddy. This cake looks amazing. Big celebration for Juan Carlos' birthday. A good way to end a good day in Medellin with delicious chocolate cake with my coworkers' girlfriend's family. They threw him a surprise birthday party, and my birthday is on Wednesday, so I guess this is my celebration as well. But it's really for my buddy over there, Juan Carlos. Very rich. Very good. I am in Medellin, guys. You guys saw my Arriba necklace. What's up, guys? What a great way to end my time in Medellin. I wish it was daytime, but here is that beautiful city. I am at Pueblito Paisa. Paisa is basically another word for like Medellin town. So it's a little Medellin town, which is where I'm at. Nice park on top of a hill, and you get a really good glimpse of the city of Medellin, which is basically a city in the valleys. Bye, Medellin. All right, when you guys come to Medellin, you should be able to see a lot of these buses. Autobus, very typical in Medellin. Looks like a party bus. Hola, ¿qué pasó? ¡Hey! ¡Viva la Colombia! Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't done so yet, please click that subscribe button below so you don't miss a new episode as I travel the world. I'll see you guys next time, guys. Bye.